Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes C drive full problem easy solution. Open my computer. Check the free space on C drive. 44.3 GB free out of 59.3 GB. Right click my computer. Click Properties. Click System Protection. Click Configure. Delete all restore points. Click Delete. Click Continue. Click OK. Now check the space of the drive C. Approximately 2 GB of space is free. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.